This is a look at the genuine Gerber 97-851. What this is the toe tap assembly for the drain. Few measurements. The thread's about 1/4 inch. From the seal up is about 1 3/4, and the overall's about, I'd say, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, because of the round shape to it. About 2 inches diameter. It comes with the seal there. And then, as you can see, that's how it would work when it's installed. Push it in, locks in place, push it again, comes back out. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 97-851 toe tap assembly.